Olá pessoal, tudo bom com vocês? Espero que sim. In today's video, we're gonna try a new recipe. It's chicken popcorn with a Brazilian kick. It's a family recipe and I hope you enjoy it with a good movie or series. Let's begin. We're going to start this recipe with 2 medium-sized chicken breasts. Can you see it?
Yes, we can.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, so I have cut them into cubes and I have marinated them with, let me remember the ingredients. It's mustard, ketchup, oregano, olive oil, saffron,
Soy sauce,
garlic,
salt,
and salt, right?
and salt.
And
Yeah.
salt. Excellent memory I have, right? So, a good idea is to marinate it for at least 24 hours. This is what's going to give you like this wonderful, my family recipe taste. Marinating is really important. But if you don't have the patience, that's okay. You can marinate it for 1 hour, 2 hours, half an hour maybe, but at least half an hour. Don't do it and just fry it because it's not gonna taste as good as it should, okay? But then, after you have done that, we're going to do one more thing when it comes to marinating. We're going to add 1 whole egg that I've beaten and put a little bit, let me show you better. And I've put a pinch of salt. No problem, okay? We have a camera focus situation here, that's okay. Let's season the table a little bit. So it's what is rest of the egg, okay? And a cup of milk. So you add the milk and the egg. We're gonna mix it together. So that the juices, ooh, I'm not messing up. And you can wait another 15 to 30 minutes, but 15 minutes is enough. Then we're gonna go to the next step. So it's been 15 minutes and we're going to start to bread our chicken. It's a very simple process. Here I have wheat flour, and here I have what we call Panko in Brazil. It's probably Panko in the United States. It's breadcrumbs, like Asian breadcrumbs that you can find. Here in Brazil we find it in Asian stores or even regular supermarkets. If you don't have that, it's okay. You can use your regular breadcrumb that it's going to work just fine. So it's an easy process. We're going to go I'm gonna do it with my hands, but it's a simple process. You just normally bread it, get a few pieces, put it into the wheat flour, start beautifully, and then from here to the Panko. And that's it. That's a simple process. I'm gonna finish it up and then we're going to our last step, that is to fry the chicken popcorn. So we have arrived to our last step when it comes to the chicken. Then we're going to be making 2 sauces that are very popular here in Brazil, so stay tuned. To fry the chicken, you need vegetable oil, very hot, it's very important. I'm going to use my skimmer to help me with the frying because I'm a little bit afraid of frying anything, especially when it's deep frying. But this is how it looks like. Then I get 3. I think 3 is good. And I'm gonna cover it all. Smells good.
Do you think so?
Yeah, it smells like good food, right? Fried food. It needs to get really brown. Let's be patient. I'm not very patient with frying.
Because it's dangerous. That's why.
Yeah. I want it to be overweight.
What did you say?
I want it to be overweight.
Yeah.
A little bit more. I'm done frying the chicken, and this is the result. And now we're going to go to the sauces. Now we're going to begin with the sauces. As I have said, we're going to be making 2 sauces today. The first one is the simpler one. We call it molho rosé in Portuguese, in Brazil. We have different versions of this sauce, but I'm going to be making the one that I like the most. So for that we need evaporated milk. I'll be using 2 or 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons is enough. Then I'm not going to exaggerate it on the mayo, so just 1 I think is enough. And then here I have 2, right? 2 teaspoons, not teaspoons.
3
tablespoons.
3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons of ketchup. And 1 of mustard. It's very simple. You just mix it together. You're gonna get this beautiful color. Stir it as much as you can. So this is how it should look like. This is the final result. Let's go to the second one. And now let's go to our last sauce. We call it garlic sauce. Alfajata. So for this one we need 3 to 4 tablespoons of evaporated milk. I'm going to start with 3, and if I think it's necessary, I'll add another 1. A nice spoon of mayonnaise, a tablespoon again. 2 cloves of garlic. Here I have green onion and parsley. So it's very simple. Everything you have to do is to mix it with the help of a blender. Let's do it. The paste was a little bit dry, so what I did was I added another 5 spoons of evaporated milk. I'm going to show you the texture, and you add as you find it necessary. It should be liquid. If you don't want it to be that liquid, you can add mayonnaise, more mayonnaise. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. What do you think? A little bit more, right?
Yeah, just a little bit more.
Because when I saw it in the blender, it looked better. I'm gonna add, so we had 1 tablespoon of mayo. I'm gonna add another one. Let's see what it looks like. Are you convinced?
Yeah, I think so. I think it looks delicious.
Let me taste it. That's good. If for the sake of texture you want to add a little bit more of mayonnaise, it's okay. But to my taste, it's good. It's enough. So here we have garlic paste, and we also have the Jose paste. Let's get it. So here we have our chicken popcorn. What do you think of it?
It looks delicious.
Looks beautiful. Looks
Yeah.
delicious. So I'm gonna try it without the sauce. I'm gonna try the 2 sauces, and I'm gonna tell you which one I prefer. So this is what it looks like.
Looks crunchy.
Looks beautiful, right? Let's see. Mm. Mm. It's good. Very good. Now, with the rosé sauce. Mm. Mm. This is good. This is better. Mm. And I'm a garlic lover, so I can only imagine how much I'm gonna like it. Mm. Mm. So good. But I have to be honest. As much as I like garlic, I think this one is fresher. So because I'm not in summertime, I'm fall time, but it feels like summertime in Brazil now. So if I had to choose today, I think I would choose this one. But in winter time, maybe this one. Well, they're both good. Please try it. I hope you have enjoyed this video so far. So if you like it, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the like to support our project. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao!